Hi, family. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Strive Wealth Builders. Who's got your money? Listen, folks, the money is out there. So don't sit back thinking there's no money out there. Are you kidding me? This is our economy. How is it that Spider Man hits the movie Spider Man that just was released hit 500 million? Don't tell me the money is not out there. It is up to you to find out how to get it. So let's discuss that. Today, we will be talking about who's got your money. Before I get started, please allow me to introduce myself to those that are new to our platform. My name is Detra Harris, and I'm the Managing Director for Strive Wealth Builders. We are a business club located here in the San Francisco Bay Area, also known as a RIA, Real Estate Investment Association. Please visit our website at strivewealthbuilders.com. If you have not joined, please join today. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click now and become a member of our family. Love to have you. Okay, so let's talk about this a little bit because let me tell you, how often do I get our members saying, I have no money to invest? Well, you have to find the money. If you don't have that money sitting in your bank, well, then the first thing you have to think about, who's got your money? So let's start with a few of those tips. The first thing I'm going to ask you to do is look at your family and friends. Because if you have a good deal and you're offering a strong return, your family and friends, they want in. Don't be shy to ask for money. A lot of times we don't want to ask for money. And I was the same. I was intimidated to ask for money. But today, my first topic is talking about money because that's what's going to get you in the door to closing your first deal. So, who's got your money? Start with your family and friends and see who's interested in working with you. If that doesn't work, now you want to look at private lenders. There's so much money in our economy. The money is there, and you have private lenders waiting for you to come with a good deal so they can make money, so you can make money, and everybody's happy. In addition to that, as housing providers, for those that are in the residential space, we are doing such a great service to our economy by providing housing for our citizens that we need you. So don't ever think that the money is not there. What's not there is your mentality. You have to change your mindset to know that the money is there. I'm telling you, you got to tap into it. I do it all the time. That's how I get my deals done. Private lenders. So what you need to understand is what are their requirements. Everyone has their own separate requirements. So you can start to build your plan on how to tap into that industry, how to tap into the money. Who's got your money? That's what you need to be thinking about all the time. Whenever you look at someone, do you have my money? Do you have my money? Who's got my money? Okay, because that's who you need to talk to, is those that's holding the money that you can negotiate with. Lastly, if you're just getting started, this may not be the perfect idea, but banks, right, are lending institutions, they have the money. They are sitting on billions of dollars. They need us. They need us to come in with these deals, negotiate these deals, and get it done. Now, let's not talk about access to capital for minority individuals. That's a whole separate topic, and there are challenges there. But even if you look like me, the money is there. So get it out your mind that you don't have access to capital because you do. We all have access to capital here in the United States. Are you kidding me? Billions and billions of dollars are circulating every day, every moment. So you got to get in there and get that money. Lastly, we forget about the nonprofits that are awarded millions, millions. The money is there. What you have to do is learn how to tap into it, how to get access to capital, and speak up. Start doing your researches, start networking with lenders, with banks, with nonprofits, with your friends and family, with other investors. You'll find a way how to get your feet in the door. So get started. Make a list. Say, okay, who's got my money? Let's start with here. If they say no, and the second person say no, and the third person say no, then the fourth person is a yes. You got to keep going. You have to be consistent. You just have to get out there and do it. Don't worry about what you look like, because that's going to stop you from moving forward if you are intimidated by that. The money is there, it's yours, you're entitled to it. Know it. Go get it. All right. See you next time. Bye.